You're my papa. Oh, hello, Billy Bird. Give me a kiss. Come on, darling. Come and give me a kiss. Where are you? What are you doing? You've been my ruin. Oh, little guy. What's Billy doing? He's so beautiful. Such a little lovebird. You want a little cuddle? You want a cuddle? You want a kiss? What do you want? What? What, darling? What is it? Hey? What do you want, Papa? Oh, he's so beautiful. Oh, he's so... Oh, we cheeky boy. Hey, cheeky little lovebirds. Cheeky little lovebirds. Yes. Oh, dear. Oh, Billy. Whoa. There we are. Yes, nice. Is that nice? Oh. He loves a little cuddle. He does. And he knows he's a little lovebird. He is a little lovebird. And you? I need to be nearer. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh, Billy. You want a kiss? Little lovebird. You little guy, Bill. Hey, little guy, Billy. Oh. Oh, Billy Bird. Oh, you're so beautiful. Such a lovely little chick. He's a little lovebird. And he knows his mama love him. You know that. Such a good boy. You never naughty, are you? Never naughty. No. He wouldn't do anything naughty, would you? Hey? Oh dear. Oh, Billy. Billy lovebird. Give me a kiss. Oh, that's nice. That's nice.